الفيديو التاني هنراجع مع بعض probability. السؤال الأولاني if you spin the spinner، ده اسمه spinner، بنحركه فالسهم بيجي على لون، فده عشان كده اسمها spinner يعني الدوارة. if you spin the spinner shown what is the probability red or blue. red or blue. هنا المفروض دي ألوان، في واحد red وفي واحد blue، واحد red وواحد blue. one red and one blue يبقى two. اما يقول لي or يبقى نعمل add عشان كلمة or. red or blue. في هنا one red one blue. 1 over 4 عشان كلهم 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 احسبها كده. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equal 1 plus 1 2 over 4 divide by 2 divide by 2 1 over 2, or you can use the calculator. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equal half. So I will choose B, half. Number 2. A number cube is marked with 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. A number cube اللي هو الكيوب ده اسمه number cube، بيبقى عليه 6 numbers، بيبقى فيه هنا 6 numbers. 1 2 3. ال1 بيبقى تحتيها 6، ال2 بيبقى قدامها 5، ال3 بيبقى قدامها هنا 4، بحيث التوتال كله بيكون هنا 7. يعني 1 تحتيها 6، ال2 قدامها 4، ال3 قدامها 4، ال2 قدامها 5، ال1 تحتيها 6، بحيث التوتال بيكون 7. A number cube is marked with numbers 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 on its faces. The cube one time, I rolled it one time. What is probability of 2? How many 2? How many 2 here? Only 1 2. And the total 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the probability of 2 1 over 6. Only 1 2. And the die or the cube has 6 numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. The probability of 2, how many 2? 1. 1 over 6. So I choose number D. There are 6 equally likely outcomes on the spinner. 6 equally يعني 6 كلهم قد بعض equally، يعني شايفين السكشنز كلها قد بعض، عشان كده بقول اسمها ايه 6 equally likely outcomes on the spinner. What is the probability of spinning blue؟ هنا ندور كده how many blue. عندي بس 2 blue والتوتال كلهم 1 2 3 4 5 6، يبقى 2 blue over 6. بس ما فيش هنا 2 over 6. لو انا عملتها بالكالكوليتر 2 over 6 ادخلها في الحسابة كده، اكتب في النوميريتور 2 في الدينومينيتور 6 بيطلع لي 1 over 3. لو انتي مش عارفة 2 divide by 2 1، 6 divide by 2 3، 2 divide by 2 1، 6 divide by 2 3. The answer is 1 over 3. Yes, 1 over 3 because 2 blue over 6. 2 blue over 6. Use the calculator. Divide by 2 1, divide by 2 3. The answer is B. Number 4. Number 4. An ordinary 6-sided die is rolled. die اللي هي ده اسمه die او اسمه كيوب. الشكل ده اسمه die او كيوب. An ordinary 6-sided die is rolled. rolled يعني رمتها او tossed حذفتها دحرجتها rolled. What is the probability that a number greater than 4 is rolled؟ ال 6-sided die، الداي اللي هو الحجر النرد الداي. What is the number greater than 4؟ ايه الارقام اللي greater than 4؟ انا عندي الداي فيها 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is the number greater than 4؟ only 5 and 6 greater than 4. How many numbers? 2 over 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 over 6. The answer is 2 over 6 divide by 2 1, divide by 2 3. Yes, the answer is 1 over 3. Why? Because 2 over 6 divide by 2 equal 1, divide by 2 equal 3. When you can't find the answer, simplify. 2 over 6 equal 1 over 3. 2 over 6 equal 1 over 3. Number 5. A certain word game contains a large 20-sided die, 20-sided die, 20 not 6, 20-sided die, with letters instead of numbers. I put letters instead of numbers on the sides. If all the vowels A, E, I, O, U, how many vowels? A, E, I, O, U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vowels are on the die. Then what is the probability of rolling a vowel? How many vowel? A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowel. 5 over 20, use the calculator. 5 vowels over the total 20, use your calculator. Divide by 5, 1. Divide by 5, 4. You can use your calculator. I don't have in my house now. 5, put 5 on the numerator and put 20 in the denominator equal, you will find the answer 1 over 4. So the answer is 1 over 4, C. Because the total 20 and how many vowels? 5. 5 over 20. I don't have here 5 over 20, but simplify by using the calculator. 5 over 20, 5 divided by 5, 1. 20 divided by 5, 4. Or enter 5 over 20 in your calculator. The answer is 1 over 4. This is a review for the first lesson. Lesson number 2. I will review with you. Number 1. Determine يعني حددي. Determine the probability of a coin landing heads up by actually tossing a coin several times is an example of tossing a coin. يعني انت بترمي درهم او بترمي landing heads، يعني بتنزل على الصورة او الكتابة. الكوين ده هي لما بترميها دي اسمها experimental probability. experimental probability يعني تجربة عملية. experimental يعني تجربة عملية، لكن theoretical يعني نظرية. فانت لما بتعملي كوين بترميها several times عدة مرات، دي اسمها experimental probability يعني تجربة عملية. experimental outcomes هي المخرجات اللي بيطلع لك اما هيد اما فوتو اما، فاكره لما كنا بنحلها ان توسنج ا كوين، لما ترمي كوين بيطلع لك اما بيكتشر اما بيطلع لك رايتنج. وكنا ساعات بنرمز لها ان نقول تي اور اتش. تي رايتنج، اتش هيد. ساعات يكتبوها دبليو للرايتنج ويكتبوها اتش للفوتو، حسب الرموز هو بيعملها. فالكوين بيطلع لك بيكتشر وبيطلع لك رايتنج. فهنا determine the probability of a coin landing on the heads up by actually tossing، يعني نعمل لها tossing يعني تحدفيها tossing أو rolling a coin several times is an example of experimental probability. experimental probability. لكن theoretical probability يعني حاجة نظرية، ما يقولكيش ان انت ايه توزد، ما يقولكيش ان انت رولينج تحدفيها. شوفي كلمة توزد او رولينج يعني حاجة experimental. يبقى انا هختار نمبر بي. determine the probability of rolling اهي برضو rolling او tossing a 4 or 5 on a number cube. number cube اللي هو حجر النرد الكيوب اللي هو 6 size. هنا في عندي number 4 or 5. اوكي. examining the number of possible outcomes and the number of ways to roll a 4 or 5 is an example of what? Determine the probability of rolling a 4 or 5. قال لك هنا determining يعني تحديد. determine يعني حددي ال probability of rolling ان انا حذفت خلاص طلع لي 4 or 5. هو قال لك ان انت معاكي 4 or 5، يبقى انا عارفه دي حاجه معروفه يعني theoretical نظريه theoretical ان انا عارفه ان ال 4 او 5 يعني 2 over 6. ليه؟ لان عندي 4 or 5 دي 1 over 6 or يعني بلس برضو كام 5 برضو واحده بس 5 يبقى 1 over 6. 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 equal 2 over 6. دي حاجه اقدر احلها theoretical نظريه مش محتاجه ان انا اقعد اجرب فيها، فعشان كده نختار theoretical probability number B. Number 3. The number cubes are rolled. What is the probability that the sum is 6? Two number cubes are rolled. Two number cubes are rolled. نحلها مع بعض. Two number cubes are rolled. First cube 1 2 3 4 5 6. First cube. Second cube 1 2 3 4 5 6. The sum is 6. What is the sum is 6? 1 plus 5 6. Yes, 1 and 5 the sum is 6. But 1 and 6 the sum is 7. No. 1 and 4 the sum is 5. No. 2 and yes, 2 and 4 the sum is 6. Yes. 3 and 3 the sum is 6. Yes. 4 and 2 4 and 2 the sum is 6. 5 and 1 yes, 5 and 1 the sum is 6. How many pairs the sum is 6? 1 and 5 yes, 1 here. 2 and 4 yes. 3 and 3. 4 and 2 different because this 2 and 4 x is 2 y is 4. Here x is 4 y is 2 different. And 5 and 1 6 and 1 7. No, I want the sum is 6. The sum is 6. That their sum is 6. How many? 1 2 3 4 5. The answer is 5 over 36. Why 36? Because 6 times 6. If you count them 1 and 1 1 and 2 1 and 3. If you write all you will find them 36 because 6 times 6 equals 36. So the sum is 6. Only 5 over 36. 5 over 36 because 6 times 6 equals 36. Number 4. A spinner numbered 1 through 10. I have a spinner. I will draw with you. I have a spinner equal size divided into 10 parts. 1 2 3. And you can put the arrow any directions. You can put the arrow here. 3 4. The number is from 1 to 10. Okay. Is 100 times. نقعد نلفها 100 times. The result وبعدين نكتب ال results هنا. The results of the experiment are shown in the table. عملنا نتائج لما قعدنا نلففها 100 مرة كتبنا نتائج. ال 1 frequency 8 times. ال 2 ظهرت 16 times. أنا عندي لغاية 10 الأرقام لغاية 10. ال 10 ظهرت 3 times. What is the experimental probability of spinning an 8? فين ال 8؟ دي ال outcome ده ال frequency. ال 8 اهي. ال 8 how many؟ 13. Yes, 13 over 100 because 8 frequency 13 over 100. Where is the answer? Yes, 13 over 100. I will choose A. Number 5. A spinner numbered 1 through 10. Also a spinner numbered 1 through 10 is spun 100 times. جبنا سبينر وحطينا عليها ارقام من 1 ل 10. نفس السبينر دي عملنا فيها ارقام من 1 ل 10. اوكي. ولفيناها 100 مرة وكتبنا the result النتائج of the experiment are shown in the table below. What is the experimental probability of spinning a 5? دوري على الفايف كده. ال1 ظهرت عندي الفريكوانسي يعني التكرار بتاعها 8 times. ال2 16 3 10. ال5 12 yes 12 over 100. I can't find here 12 over 100 because 12 over 100 if you divide by 4 equals 3. 100 divided by 4 equal 25. You can enter in your calculator 12 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator. Write equal. The answer is 3 over 25. Yes, the answer is 3 over 25. I will choose number D. Okay. Lesson number 4. Which is the best way to answer a 10 question multiple choice? I have 10 question multiple choice test in which each question has 6 choices for answers. Each question has 6 choices for answer. He asked me which is the best way، يعني اختاري أحسن طريقة to answer عشان أجاوب 10 question multiple choice test in which each question has 6 choices. أما يقولك 6 choices يبقى أنا أفكر في حاجة 6 choices. طب flipping a coin، الكوين هنا 2 choices only. الكوين الدرهم إما صورة إما كتابة إما pictures إما writing. only 2 choices. I want 6 choices. So flipping a coin wrong. Rolling a die is 6 faces. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, 6 choices. I cannot choose rolling a die because die has 6 faces. Spinning a spinner with 4. No, I don't want 4. I want 6 choices. Spinning a spinner with 10. No, I don't want 10. I want 6 choices. So I will choose B. Number 2. Which is the best way to answer a 10 question true or false? True or false, only 2 choices. True or false. Test. So a die, no. A die 6 choices, no. Spin a spinner with 4 sections. I don't want 4 sections. Spin a spinner with 10 sections. I don't want 10 sections. Yes. Flip a coin. I will choose number D. Flip a coin because a coin only false or true. لما أنا بحذف الدرهم بيطلع لي إما صورة إما كتابة. أقدر أختار إما true or false. عندي 2 choices only. So I will choose number D. Which is the best way to simulate? Simulate يعني إيه؟ تقلدي حاجة. تقلديها أو تعملي لها تمثيل. يعني مثلا بيديكي example تشوفي له تمثيل حاجة مشابهة إن إحنا أقدر أحلها. To simulate choosing one student out of 12. عندي 12 student عايزة اختار منهم واحد. طبعا مش هينفع ان انا اجيب 12 طالب واعملهم تجربة، فبنجيب example. ايه هو example؟ نشوف كده example. Which is the best way to simulate choosing one student out of 12 to be the class president? Okay. Flip a coin, only 2 choices. No. Roll a die and flip a coin. Yes. A die 6 times 2 and يعني multiply. الcoin 2 يبقى 6 times 2 12. Yes, I want 12. I want 12. So number B is correct. Roll a die. A die is 6 only. Spin a spinner with 4 sections. No, I don't want 4 sections. I want 12. So roll a die and flip a coin. الحجر النرد 6 والcoin 2. 6 times 2 equal 12. 6 times 2 equal 12. So choose B. Roll a die and flip a coin. Number 4. Which is the best way؟ يعني اختاري أحسن حاجة. في حاجات كتير كويسة بس اختاري الأحسن. Which is the best way to simulate a 3/5 chance of snow؟ أنا عندي snow. السنو ده تلج، يعني snow تلج. عايزة حاجة simulate تقلد لي choosing 3/5. الكوين 2 choices. I want 3/5. الكوين 2. الداي 6. I want 3/5. pick a marble. الحجرة marble. pick a marble. نجيب شنطة out of a bag. نجيب bag ونحط فيها 3 white marbles and 2. yes 3 white and 2 equal 5 and 3 white عشان السنو التلج ابيض فجبنا 3 white marbles. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 3 out of 5. this is the best way because pick a marble. نختار حجرة نحطها في شنطة. نجيب شنطة باج ونحط فيها 5 marbles. pick a marble out of a bag containing 3 white marbles and 2 black marbles. I will choose C. pick a marble out of a bag containing 3 different color. 3 different color يعني 3 colors. no I want only 2 colors. so 3 different colors is wrong. Number C. Number 5. Which is the best way to simulate choosing one student out of 36. طبعا مش معقول هجيب 36 student واعمل عليهم تجربة. To be in the spelling bee. To be in the spelling bee. Which is the best way to simulate choosing one student out of 36. ازاي اشوف example 36. هنا الإجابات. flip a coin. الكوين بس 2 choices. roll a die. الداي بس 6. I want 36. roll a die then flip a coin. die 6 وcoin 2. 6 times 2 equal 12. wrong because 6 times 2 equal 12. roll a red die and a black die. yes red die 6 times black die 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. yes I will choose number D. a red die and a black die. الداي يعني الحجر نرد 6 faces. 6 times 6 equals 36. so I will choose number D. last paper here. last paper. A math quiz is made up of 5 multiple choice questions. each with 4 possible answers. أنا عندي امتحان فيه 5 multiple choices وكل سؤال فيه 4 possible answers. how many possible sets of answers. يبقى كل الانسرز كام؟ I have 5 multiple choice questions each with 4 possible answers. عندي 5 أسئلة وكل سؤال 4 possible answers. يبقى 5 times 4 equal 20 because he asked how many possible sets. how many كل الطرق كام. how many possible sets of answer. كل الانسرز كام. 5 times 4 because 5 questions times 4 multiple choice. 5 times 4 all possible answers are 20. 5 times 4. 5 times 4 equal 20. I will choose B. Number 2. How many ways can you order pizza? If you pick one from each choice. 4 sizes. بالنسبة للسايزز عندي 4 sizes. يبقى أنا عندي هنا 4 اختيارات. 4 sizes. عندي 3 different crusts. 5 kinds of cheese. 5 kinds of cheese and 12 toppings. 12 toppings. How many ways can you order pizza if you pick one from each choice? 4 sizes, large, medium, small. 4 sizes and 3 different crusts and 5 kinds of cheese and 12 toppings. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 5, 60. 60 times 12, 6 times 12, 720. Multiply because I don't have a calculator. Multiply 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 5, 60. 60 times 12, 720. Number B. Number 3. Students at Midtown Middle School can choose their schedule from 3 math courses. I have 3 math courses, 3 science courses, 3 science courses, 2 social studies courses, and 2 art courses. Determine the number of possible schedules that include 1 course in each subject area. Each subject. How many subjects? 3 math courses, 3 science courses, 2 social studies courses, and 2 art courses. He asked me determine the number of possible schedules that include one course in each subject area. Multiply to know all the ways. Multiply 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 2, 18, 18 times 2, 36. Yes, number A, 36. Number 4, a minor league baseball team had three players. Try out for each of the 9 positions. How many ways could the team be formed? I have 9 positions. How many ways could the team be formed? 9 positions, and how many players? 3 players. Yes, 3 players times 9 positions, 27. To know how many ways, multiply 9 positions times 3 players. 9 times 3 equal 27. Last one. A restaurant offers 6 appetizers, 4 salads, 8 entrees, and 5 desserts. Find the number of possible meals that include one item from each course. A restaurant offers 6 appetizers, 4 salads, 8 entrees, and 5 desserts. حلويات يعني. Find the number of possible meals that include one item from each course. Multiply. To know how many ways, multiply. 6 appetizers, 6 times 4, 24. 24 times 8 times 5, 960. So the answer is 960. Use your calculator please, because I don't have. 6 times 4 times 8 times 6 times 4 times 8 times 5 equals 960. So I will choose number D. Okay.